Welcome to JH. I started taking Metagenics fish oil because I apparently reached the age where I need high-quality support for my heart, brain, and joints. What stood out immediately is how easy these soft gels are to swallow, and thankfully, they don't leave you smelling like a tuna sandwich for the rest of the afternoon. They go down smoothly with absolutely no fishy aftertaste, which is a minor miracle in the world of supplements. The formula provides a concentrated dose of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, and DHA, which are known to support cardiovascular and cognitive function, perfect for those of us trying to remember where we left our keys. After using it consistently, I noticed a genuine balance in my energy levels. My joints even felt more comfortable during workouts, proving that I'm not quite ready for the scrap heap just yet. It gave me a lot more confidence in managing my overall wellness without much effort. Another thing I appreciate about Metagenics is that it's made with clean, tested ingredients from a brand that doesn't feel like it was started in a basement last week. It's gentle on the stomach and provides steady benefits over time without any harsh side effects. It's certainly a lot more convenient than trying to eat your weight in wild-caught salmon every single day. Overall, this fish oil has been a reliable and effective addition to my routine, helping me feel stronger and more supported.